camera has clear voice recording, which is perfect for recording your voice, even in windy places.
Introducing the Viewpoint VR180 Nano, the thinnest VR180 camera that brings extreme portability and convenience to cell phone VR and 3D shooting. Dual wide-angle lenses allow you to capture incredible selfies with a wide field of view. With the Viewpoint app, you can easily share your best moments directly from a smartphone. It has a lightweight and durable aluminum body, high-quality optics, and a Type-C connection. With high bandwidth, the Viewpoint Nano allows you to live stream 3D 4K video to your social media using a smartphone or a laptop. You'll be certain to stay ahead of other live streamers. The Viewpoint VR180 Nano is designed for people who want a truly convenient and mobile camera with spectacular features, whether you're just traveling, riding a bike, or climbing a mountain. The portability of the Viewpoint Nano makes it easy to record or live stream what you see, feel, and hear. It also works as a standalone camera and can easily be mounted on a gimbal or any other stabilizer. With the Viewpoint VR180 Nano, you can share your stories with your friends or re-experience those unforgettable memories as if you're actually there. Viewpoint. Video's better than the real thing.
It's Mike from Mike Visuals. I'm a travel filmmaker and I'm here in the Isle of Skye with Canon. It's going to be an amazing adventure with the G7X Mark III and we're in the perfect playground to test that out. So let's do this. Alright, so we made it here, a quick pit stop to test out the slow motion capabilities, recording the quarter speed internally, and the waterfall is the perfect subject to do that. I love that the G7X Mark III has a built-in mic jack, so I can plug in my professional mic, really increases the production value, no background noise, and I can just be reassured that I'm getting clean audio for the vlog. So the Isle of Skye has incredible views all around, and one of the ways I love to capture it is through time lapses. The G7X has an internal time lapse feature and it's so quick and easy to use, and this is the result. So we've just made it to this really nice small town and we're going to switch the G7X 4K and just capture some detail. Alright, next up, time for this amazing castle and testing out the low light capabilities on the G7X Mark III. Alright, so they've kindly given us access after hours to explore all of the rooms, and the sun is getting pretty low, so we're going to bump the ISO up to 3200, keep the aperture quite low to around 1.8, and let's see what we can find. Alright, and that's a wrap in the Isle of Skye. Although we haven't had the best weather conditions, I've had a lot of fun using the G7X Mark III. It's just so portable and versatile in any situation we've thrown it in, and I can't wait to take it on my next adventure.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.